Good morning, boys and girls. This is Friday, and I'm going to give you some information about what math will look like um, for the next 7 weeks. I sent you packets that has week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7. Okay, I wrote it on the top of them. So please only do one packet a week, or you're going to be so completely confused. I'm going to skip around, obviously, because we don't have nearly as much time as I thought we were going to have. So we're just going to practice fractions and then one lesson on volume, because volume's pretty simple and Mrs. Hager has already introduced it to you. So I think we'll be good with just one lesson. So I'm doing one lesson a week. So like next week, we'll do lesson 9, the one we were ready for in math class. And it's going to consist of 5 days, and it'll be the work we would have done in 2 days. So on Mondays, you're going to watch my YouTube video, and this next video you watch, I'm actually going to record it later today, so it'll be brand new for you. And the video on Monday, you'll have papers to write on, so please write on those. And you're going to, I think it was maybe a 16-minute video from the first time I did it, so it's not going to be too long. And then on Tuesday, you're going to have a problem set that you need to do. And I'll have a video of the problem set on your Google Classroom account. Everything will be there, just like you're used to. And the problem set might not have all the problems done, so I want you to try the others on your own without any help and just see how it's going for you. And then that's not for grades, so just try it on your own. And then Wednesday, we're going to have a live math class. And that's where we'll use a Google Meet, and we will be able to see each other's faces and hear each other's voices. And you can ask me questions about the problem set. I can do some problems for you on my board in the classroom. And then if there's anything you need, like you are wanting to check out your student iPad because you aren't having much luck with your device at home, then you can ask me for that, and I can get that to the office so you can pick it up. So just anything you need. So that will be on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, I want you to do your Zern lesson. And then on Friday, I'm going to have you do 2 to 3 problems that are multiplication, maybe division every now and then, just so we don't forget how to do those hard concepts. And so the multiplication review on Friday, I do want you to take a picture of and send it to me so I can check your work. And then on Wednesday, after our live math class, that will be at 10 o'clock on Wednesdays, I want you to do your exit ticket. And then you can send a picture of your exit ticket to me also. And I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a few minutes. So the only thing that I think you'll be a little bit confused about is when it says office hours. And so I want to explain office hours to you, but I'm going to present my screen right now and show you what this would all look like if I were on a student Google Classroom account. So I'm going to present. And I've got Nikayla's Google Classroom account opened up. And I'm going to go back to the very first screen. So this is what it looks like. She's got Block 3 Science now. Mrs. Hager's going to be using Google Classroom also. And then 6th grade math, because she goes to math somewhere else. And then I actually do have her in a classroom. And I wish my hair looked that good today. But anyway, I have her in a classroom. So I'm going to click on that. And then it says Teresa Lewis posted a new assignment Monday, 3:30. And I haven't posted it to yours yet because, like I said, I'm going to do a new lesson for you. So once you click on it for Monday, it's going to have Module 3, Lesson 9 YouTube video. that you're going to work out, and you've got paper to write that on, because I sent home all your papers that you will need for the rest of the school year. They're in an envelope that looks kind of like the ones where we take our sorter papers in. And I think it says math weeks 1 through 7 on it. So when you open up Google Classroom Monday, you're going to have the video that you can watch, and please listen. It says, please listen along with the video. Listen to what the lady has to say. Actually, it says, please write along with the video. Please listen to what the lady has to say. So after you watch that video, we are going to have a meeting at 11 o'clock on Monday. And that is what is called my office hours. So for sure, every single day next week, you can get a hold of me at 11 o'clock. And I know that's when a lot of you are picking up your lunches, but I'm going to be on there from 11 to 12. So I don't even care if you eat while you're on there with me. If you've got a question or you need something, you can get a hold of me at 11 o'clock every single day. And that goes for all of the 5th grade teachers. So that's what Monday will look like. And then Monday night, I'll post Tuesday. And then I'll keep going like that the whole week. So you're probably wondering, how am I going to take a picture of that exit ticket, send it to my teacher? Or maybe you already know how to do that. But Google Classroom is going to look a little different than Seesaw. So this is a computer screen, and this is not what your iPad screen will look like. Your iPad screen doesn't have your work up at the top. It actually has your work down here at the bottom. And there's going to be an arrow that you can just pull up, swipe up, and then over to the left-hand side, you'll see a camera option. And you can just click the camera and take a picture of your exit ticket and send it to me that way, okay? So on the iPad, swipe up, use the camera, take a picture of it that way. On the computer, if you're using a computer, I don't think very many of my homeroom said they were using computers, but I don't know about the rest of the kids across the grade level. So on the computer, it will look a little different. You'll have to choose add or create. And then sadly, there's no camera option. So you're going to have to choose file. And it should be on upload. There are several choices here. Choose upload, and then select from my device. And then you're going to want to go to pictures. On the Mac, it's over here to the side. And then you'll choose one of these. You'll find your picture that you took, and you will click on it. These are not pictures, and I don't know what they are, so I don't want to click on one because I have no idea what it says. And then just choose open, and then it will send it to here, and you can choose upload. And then I'm guessing, I'm not positive, but I'm guessing there will be a little send button like the one you see here where you can send it to me. So we'll figure that out Monday. No, actually Wednesday when you send me your exit ticket. And I might play around with it a little bit before then so I can let you know. Now, I don't even know if I have class comments turned on. So I want you to know that if you type anything here, it can't be a joke or anything like that because the whole class is going to see it. So, and I don't want to spend all my time looking at your conversations anyway. I'd like to be able to plan and make new videos in my free time. Over here, if you've got something you need to talk to me about and you don't want anyone to see it, you can send me a private comment, and that will just be between the two of us. So that's what it's going to look like from the Google Classroom account. And trying to think if I forgot anything else to tell you. Hopefully I told you that you can still get your iPad. You just have to Seesaw message me or message me on Google Classroom, and I will get it to the office for you so you can pick it up. And live class on Wednesday at 11. No, live class on Wednesday at 10. 11 o'clock, you can talk to me on a Google meeting And I sent you another video on how to do that. So hopefully you got on your Google account and checked out that video. I'm looking forward to it. I don't think it's going to be too much different for us because we already have that YouTube account that we're used to using. And I probably should have signed up for ads so I could get rich, because this is really going to be a good time to make a little extra money, I think. Just kidding. I would never get rich off of this. So I will see you bright and early, not too early, 11 o'clock Monday morning. Try and watch the video before you get a hold of me at 11, and we can get back to work. It's been a little boring without anything to do. See you soon.